Today looks a little different. My van is in the shop, so I'm starting my morning here in the apartment instead. I always reach for this mug. Be happy, be free, be kind. It's a good reminder of what I'm aiming for on this nomad journey. This is my little reset before the day starts. A few minutes to write, plan, and get grounded before I head back out on the road. And today you're coming along with me in the Jeep.
I'm getting the clouds right now. It's gonna be, I bet you it's gonna be a bad one tonight.
I decided to make the most of the day and stop at the Olive Garden for a little treat. There's something really comforting about a warm, cozy restaurant when you're usually eating in the van. When you live out of a vehicle, you really learn to appreciate the to-go boxes. One meal can turn into 2 or 3 on the road. And on to Walmart. Well, I'm back. Just bought the groceries, if you can call them groceries. Head over to Yeti. I've never actually been inside a Yeti store before, so I'm curious. I made it to Yeti, so I'm gonna go in here and see what they have. I might film a little bit in here. I've decided to go in and bring you along just to see what's in here. The store is colorful and super organized. Look at the coolers, shelves of cups, everything lined up perfectly. I ended up picking out a cup and realizing how expensive these really are. They really are a true high-end brand. Well, that was a nice outing. Very, very expensive. I had no idea Yeti products were that expensive. So I'm glad I could take you guys with me. I'm not sure how many of them there are. I had never seen one, but I saw that one passing on the freeway. So I'm like, I'll have to go back there one day. That's why I made it. So I'll catch you guys next time. The rain turned heavy really fast and the wind picked up. It went from interesting sky to I need to find a place to pull over in just a few minutes.
Wow.
Look at this. Days like this are a good reminder of how quickly conditions can change on the road, and why staying aware and flexible matters so much when you live a nomadic lifestyle.
I want to move the Jeep. Now that it's failing, I'm going to try to move under the awning.
Do you hear this and see this? It's pretty bad. Look at this. Everybody's trying to get under the awning. They definitely want to protect their vehicles, especially if it starts to hail again. The truck started coming in. This is a truck stop along the interstate. After the storm calmed down, I finally did make it home safely, where I could rest, recharge, and relax in my retreat. If you enjoyed the content, hit the like button and subscribe so you don't miss new videos.